Hello everyone. Are you getting my voice or not? Everyone is getting my voice. Okay, all of you keep your mic at mute conditions. Okay, you remain muted. Okay, so let's start with the second class of the big data analytics. Okay, earlier we have seen that journey of the fact of the big data in which we have seen is used in various business like in healthcare, in various trade market. Okay, so I just shared that particular slide that we have discussed earlier. This slide I am sharing. Uh, so earlier we have discussed that particular journey of the fact of the big data, why we required big data right now in various business applications. Okay, and earlier we have discussed about introduction about what is basically the big data, what is basically the big data evolution. Okay, okay, that you have seen also that particular evolution that we have earlier in GV's data, then we have TVs, and then TV. Right now we have a data in the form of various resources we have, and out of these resources we have a big amount of data in TVs and EVs basically because the every devices are connected with the sensors like by using the IoT devices, by using the web data, by using the multimedia and social data. This one is the evolution that we have discussed earlier. Okay, and from here we can see that the some interesting factor about the data, big data basically, in which we have seen various different, basically it show the journey, the fact of the big data in which we have seen that like in the trade market or in the various sensors everywhere we have the healthcare market, the scale and analysis of and the different form of the data is coming right now. It's surrounding us basically. So ultimately, we have to require to analyze these big data because our around of us we have a lots of data in the form of big data format basically. So we can say big data itself not a basically isolated solution for a particular business because it is a very basically the big data analytic is the requirement of the current business scenario. Okay, so we can say the big data itself not a isolated solution. However, we implement a big data solution that require basically the infrastructure that support the scalability because large amount of data we have and we have also required the proper distribution of the data. So then we can uh, after using the knowledge of the business with the technical knowledge means where we have to what we have to require, we have to require with the technical knowledge if we want to run a successful business right now, then we require technical knowledge as well as we have to knowledge about the business also. And technical knowledge is for what? To scale up our data, for to provide the scalability of the data as well as to distribute our data, to properly distribute our data. Okay. So, we can say that the big data can place big data analytic can place this place the business in a successful manner when we place the big data analytic and we perform the big data analytic with our business solution. Okay, so it is very important to put both business as well as the technology. Okay, okay, to make use this important technology that's why it's very important to have a knowledge of big data solution to successfully run a business. Okay, so now first we understand the definition from here because that we have discussed earlier. From here you can see that how large amount of data is creating by different sources basically. Okay, so you just have to go through this that particular slide, and you can easily understand the different business or different domains are generating the very big amount of data right now. Okay, and to run the business, we have to require to analyze. We have to introduce the big data solution with our business. Okay, so as per this roadmap of this presentation or this lesson, basically, okay, let's start to understand the definition of the big data. Uh, there are lots of definition are available over the internet and in various books. Okay, so we first understand the definition of big data from the scratch, basically. From here, uh, big data is we can say what is basically the big data. I just dictate this, and you just have to go through this definition, and you can easily understand what basically the big data, what the meaning of the big data basically. Okay, so big data is a term that describes the large volume of the data, both structured and unstructured. Okay, that in undated a business on a day-to-day basis. But it is not the amount of the data that is important. Okay, it is what organization do with the data that matters. Big data can analyze for insight, okay, that lead to better decision and strategic business moves. Okay, so from here, if you want to understand what basically the big data, you just think about that. Ideally, big data is not a single technology. Okay, but the combination of all new technologies that help companies to gain the achievable insights, basically. Okay, so therefore, big data is the capability to manage a huge volume of this distributed data at the right speed within the right time frame, and we can say to allow the real-time analysis and reaction. That is very important. So these 3 to 4 terms are, you just have to understand what basically the big data means. Big data is not a single technology, but the combination of all new technologies basically that is used to provide the manage huge volume of the distributed data at the right speed with the right time frame, allow real-time analysis and give the reaction also. Okay, so first, anybody have idea? Anybody, all of anybody have idea of first big data problem where when we faced? Anybody have idea? If you have idea, you just have to share your views or your knowledge with your chat box. Okay, anybody have idea where when we feel the first big data problem basically, and which company feel the big data problem they need that we have to require to have a big data solution right now basically. Anybody have idea which company have faced or we very first when we face the problem of big data basically, data analytics?
Google.
Google, very good. Okay, so Google basically first big data problem faced in when in 2002 basically. Okay, when they are working on the search engine. Okay, they are working on the some of the search engine and they want to work on various types of queries basically. When Google wanted to crawl web and index that the content so that they could produce a internet search engine basically. Okay, at that time, mostly this type of task, yes, basically this type of query related task was performed by using the SQL engine that we have done in the database management system also. Okay, but SQL server engine are not capable enough to uh, to perform on the scalable data to provide uh, all indent search engine problem because they are very costly also because they are taking the time, so lots of time to compute the queries basically. Okay, and also very terrible about the scalable, and not as the tolerated to focus as required, and not as a provide the performance as desired. Okay, so that's why need at that time the people need the big data has to come up. Okay, they need the big data solutions. Okay, so ideally uh, at the below of this slide, we can see the this particular slide. We can see that big data is divided into four V's. Okay, four V's: volume, velocity, variety, and veracity. Okay, it means ideally we can broken down the big data into 4 to 5 V's. Okay, volume, velocity, variety, and veracity. Okay, so all these terms should be clear in your mind to start with the big data solution, big data analytic or big data solution basically. Okay, so let's start with the next slide. Okay, so in that particular slide from here you can see that these are the four V's uh, that we just introduce about these four V's basically. So V, very first V from here we can see that this one is the okay, sorry. So very first we have volume. Okay, so nothing but how much of the data means what the meaning of the volume means how much of the data basically it contains. Okay, and second one is velocity. Velocity basically means how fast the data is processed, and means like how fast data is processed basically. So that is also one of the characteristic of big data. First one is the volume, means how much of the data basically, velocity, how fast the data is processed, and third one we have variety. Variety from here we can see that means variety means how much type of the data available basically. Okay, and fourth one is veracity. Okay, veracity means how much that is very important. Out of these four V's, this veracity is very important for a business perspective. Okay, means how much authenticate and real of the data basically, because and we have to require to know about whether it is self-generated data or whether it is machine-generated data. Okay, so these four V's basically are used to categorize or characterize the big data basically. Okay, volume, velocity, variety, and veracity. Okay, so a structure means from volume you can see that the data may be in the terabyte of the data, that may be a transactional data or sensor data, IoT data maybe we have, because lots of IoT devices right now, various smart cities and smart devices are working surrounding us. So lots of large amount of large volume of the data is surrounding with us, generated by using the IoT and the sensors data. Lots of sensors right now we have. Lots of we are surrounded by lots of sensors data, and machine to machine generated data also be also available in lots of right now. Okay, and second one is velocity. Means velocity basically you can say that means the torrents of the data in real time, like that include social data, sensor data, and streaming data basically. In how fast these data is processed. For example, the velocity of the data is required in like in YouTube basically. Okay, YouTube videos required, how frequent these data are, these videos are occurs basically, and how these data is running basically. How fast the data is processed, because it is very much requirement with the YouTube videos basically, as well as stock market data also required very frequent data processing. Okay, variety of the data means how much type of the data available, like structured data. Structured means structured data, you can say that like in email data, you can say it's one type of a structured type of data, and that also include variety, also include like video, audio, pictures, and visuals basically. Okay, so this is called basically the different types of varieties available with the data. Okay. And last and final one is the veracity. That is very important. That I have told that for a business perspective, it is very important that we have to know that from where the data is coming. It means if it is coming from authenticate uh, machine or authenticate user or not. Basically, we have to require to check whether authenticity, trustworthiness, availability, and accountability. They all are the features of veracity. Okay, so structure or at last, if we want to just categorize or we just have to broken down after the broken down these big data into four categories. I also include one more V. This one is the value. Okay, because fifth one is the uncover the value of these four V's basically. That uncover the all value of these four V's because it show the data is important for the system. Okay, value means for a business perspective, which uncover the hidden pattern, unknown correlation, customer preference, and other various important informations. Okay, and the value uncovered help organization industry to create new product to explore new market. Okay, and extend the value of predictive model by subsequently and uncovering a virtually unfathomable combination of additional variables and help companies streamline operations and improve marketing, enhance customer engagement, and improve customer services. This means basically the fifth one, the value is related with all these four basically. Okay, means if we take volume, then we can the value related with the volume is that they uncover the hidden pattern and unknown correlation and customer preference and other various important information. We based on these five we let we take the just understand what I want to explain to all of you that you understand you just have to underestimate the task that are at hand right now. Data must be able to verify based on the accuracy and content. An individual business may wanted to analyze massive amount of data and quickly access value of the data and potential to provide uh, additional uh, offer or additional of the offer to the customer basically. Okay, so that particular feature that include the value of these all four the V's that is related with the big data uh, four V's: volume, velocity, variety, and veracity. Okay, so these all are the include the four V's, and on the four V's we can define the big data basically. So from here right now, I think all of you have clear about the definition of the big data. What is basically the big data? Means it describes a large volume of the data, both structured and unstructured, that undates a business on day-to-day basis, and but it is not the amount of the data that is important. Okay, so it's what organization do with the data that matters. Okay, so big data can analyze for insight that lead to better decision and strategic business moves. Okay, yes, it required basically the big data provide a facility to analyze the big a large volume of the data in the given time frame and also provide the analysis on the basis of the also identify whether the data is coming from the authenticate machine or authenticate user or not. So big data solution right now is very important for a business to a successful business because we have to require the businessman their business to run a successful business it required to knowledge about the business as well as the some of the technology the big data analytic technology to provide the offer to the customer to know the trend of the customer and to also do the authenticate data also we have or not, and to analyze the pattern of the customer basically. Okay, so from this definition, and I think earlier slide, from this slide, we just have to go through these slides right now, because in the next slide we'll see the various different things related with the big data, and also we'll see the how to install the Hadoop basically, because I think I just want to make a lab session also with online for the installation of the Hadoop and to perform some tasks with the Hadoop. Okay, okay. So in the next class, you just have to come with the some of the practice. I think all of you have a laptop, or I think because it is required. In the next class, we'll see the step-by-step process and some practical solution also related with the Hadoop. Okay, and also discuss about the theoretical perspective of the big data analytics. Okay, so in the next tomorrow we'll conduct our next class, and I think right now we all are free. Actually हम लोग सब इलेक्शन से भी फ्री हुए हैं और भी बहुत सारी टास्क के उनसे फ्री हो गए. I think we'll continue our classes from today and then tomorrow basically. Okay, so you just have to come with the some of the preparation, and we are also perform some lab session also online. Okay, so anybody have queries, then you can ask tomorrow, and also come with some questions basically. Okay, so today's class is I just start this class to see whether all of you are interested or not to join the class basically. Okay, from the tomorrow we'll again join that particular session and start the big data analytics. Okay, thank you.